But Peter said, Ananias, why hath Satan filled thine heart to lie to the Holy Spirit and to keep back part of the price of the land? While it remained, was it not your own land? And after it was sold, was it not your own power? It was within your own power to do what you would with. But no, they came and they made an appearance. They made a presence. They made a showing. They wanted to be popular. They wanted to become popular. Why hast thou conceived this thing in thine heart? Ananias knew the reasons to all these questions. And hast not lied unto men, but unto who, y'all?
God.
Wait a minute.
Didn't it say Holy Spirit?
It said up here he lied to the Holy Spirit.
Yeah.
But down here it says he lied to who?
God.
He lied to God. And Ananias, hearing and by the way, don't be mistaken. Don't add to this. Don't take away from it. It doesn't say God, the Holy Spirit.
That's right.
It says he lied to the Holy Spirit. And then down here it's very clear he lied to God.
Yeah.
And Ananias, hearing these words, did what? His rebellious state caused him to become an enemy to God. Him wanting to seek popularity, to be well known, to gain special privileges and advantages as one of the apostles. That's what it was all about. That's why he lied. That's why he said he was going to do it,